What up, Daniel Boom? It's Coach Millard. I sure do miss you guys. I can't tell you how badly I miss having you guys in my PE class, but I know I'll be seeing you guys soon. I want you to know that I am here for you if you ever need anything. There's multiple ways to contact me: email, Facebook, things of that nature. I hope you're staying active. Hope you're being kind to one another and making the best of every day. So with that being said, every week I am going to be sending you guys or sending your teachers a lesson or an activity more like for you guys to do for that week. I will also have little stuff going on for you guys to do quick stuff at home on the Daniel Boone PE Facebook page. Post those, I don't know, every other day or something like that. But every week you will get something from me for you guys to do. I have been brainstorming with a lot of the PE teachers, and hopefully we're coming up with cool stuff that you guys can do home with your family. Today, or this week, I mean, your activity is going to be an obstacle course. All right. And what I want you to do, and I'm going to actually go to a smaller screen here so you can see what it is. So watch me go small here. Whoop, there I am, probably in your top right corner. But here's the requirement. So this is due Monday, or starts Monday to Friday. All right. And this obstacle course, I want you to be creative with it. I want you to either do inside or outside or both. Okay, it does need to require 7 locomotor skills, and that is your walk, your run, jump. Remember, jump is on 2 feet, a hop on 1 foot, a skip. Now, a skip, remember, especially for my kindergartners, we've been working on this. I know that will be a little tricky, but it's a step, then a hop, then you switch. Step, hop, step, hop. Then a gallop, 1 foot in front, 1 foot back, and then a leap where you start on 1 foot, land on the other foot, kind of like you're jumping a creek. How would you jump a creek? You probably do a leap. So those need to be included in your obstacle course. All right. You need to do 3 non-locomotor skills, and that could be from stretching, bending, pulling, pushing, swaying, twisting, log rolling, or balancing. So you pick 3 of those things, and these will be in your obstacle course as well. You need to kick a ball at a target, throw, shoot, or hit a ball. Okay. And that could be shooting a basketball hoop, could be playing catch, could be throwing at a target, could be hitting a ball off a tee, could be golf, whatever. There's got to be somewhere in your obstacle course. You need to climb or jump over an object. All right, so find something that you can climb over or jump over or do both. Have fun with it. Do whatever you want. It's just got to be an obstacle course. It's got to be included in there. I need to see a bear crawl. Now, a bear crawl is not hands and knees. It's hands and feet. Okay, so make sure you're crawling on hands and feet. Then an army crawl, where you're down on the ground and you're climbing on almost your elbows and you're flattened as close as you can be. 10 jumping jacks, and then you need to carry an object for 10 steps. Again, this just needs to be in there, but whatever you creatively think with your family and your siblings, make it fun. It can be in your house, it can be in your yard, it can be both, but I want to see a cool obstacle course that has somewhere in there those things. I know my students can find some creative. I've seen you guys when you do Crazy Birds, you guys come up with some cool stuff that you can do. So for your first week, your challenge is obstacle course. Okay, so a couple of things with that though. I want you to be creative with this lesson, all right? Be sure to have your parents approve before using objects. So do not do this until your parents say it's okay. I don't want angry emails saying my kid did something. They need to know, all right? Make sure you get approval with them and make sure it's safe. Safe is the key. Please do this obstacle with supervision, all right? Don't just go off on your own where no one's watching you. Parent or guardian or whatever, whoever you live with needs to be watching you, make sure we're being safe, all right? I don't want anyone getting hurt doing this. That's why we're not doing a whole lot of crazy things here, but you still can be pretty creative with it. Like I said, have fun with this, do it with the parents and siblings, okay? Can be done inside or outside. Make sure you stay in your yard. We're not going to other places. Make sure it stays in your yard or your house. And you're more than welcome to add more to your list, okay? It can be basic, it can be kind of fun, whatever, it's up to you. And then this is going to be due by Friday. Now, a couple ways for Coach Miller to know if you did it or not. You can please share either a picture, a video, or just print off or make a check sheet and just share it with Coach Miller in a few couple ways by either Danny Boone PE Facebook page. Like I said, I'm gonna have other stuff being posted up there. I'm hoping by next week have an exercise, a month of April exercise chart that we're gonna be posting up there. But that's a great way to share with it, and you can see all the cool stuff other kids are doing. Or you can email me. That's another way. My email is at the bottom of the screen. So guys, that's your first challenge. All right. Have fun with it. Be safe. Make sure you have adult supervision. But most importantly, be active, guys. Okay, so be great, everyone, and make today great or this week great. All right. A couple of things I want to share with you. So, at the bottom of this, your little assignment, it's got a motivational or inspirational quote. So today's quote: "Clouds come floating into my life, no longer to carry rain or usher storm, but to add color to my sunset sky." To me, when I read this, I think about the time we are in, and it's a perspective thing. Even though we feel like we're in a cloudy situation, rainstorms is, but you make your day great. Okay, you see a cloud, it just adds a perspective of what you're doing with your day. So guys, even though when you're feeling sad or down or worried or scared, it's what you choose to do with your day that's going to make your day great. So have fun with it. Enjoy the people you're with, because that is what makes a day great. All right. I miss you guys. You're my peeps. I'll talk to you guys soon. I'll see some of you maybe on some of your teacher chats, but just know Coach Miller's here for you. I miss you guys, and I know I'll see you soon. I can't wait. Cannot wait to see what you guys come up with. All right, just know Coach Miller cares about you. Stay healthy, stay safe. Miss you guys. Peace.